Hi, I'm Stephen Howard. Welcome to this series on the art of human leadership. You know, the Great Resignation is really delaying the post-pandemic rebound for numerous organizations across the world as they lose talent across the board. You know, it's very, very difficult to grow your business, to grow your market share, to grow your profits when one of your top priorities is replacing lost employees. So how do you stanch the Great Resignation? How do you cut the flow of resignations? How do you make sure that you're not as impacted as your competitors? Well, I would suggest you need to understand what employees want and what they need for them to be successful. And if your employees are successful, then your business will be successful. You know, employees really want four things. They want to be respected and trusted. Secondly, they want to be accepted for who they authentically are. Thirdly, they want to be included in discussions and decisions, not necessarily in all decisions, but particularly be included in how those decisions are going to be implemented, particularly if they're going to be the ones implementing your decisions. And most importantly, they want responsibilities and assignments that lead to both personal and professional growth. In essence, this really boils down to being treated as human beings and making sure they feel they belong in your team, your department, your organization, or your company as a whole. People need to feel good to be successful. And if you make them feel good, if they have a sense of belonging, they're more likely to take pride in their work. They're also more likely to contribute, to collaborate, go the extra mile, to be innovative, and to be creative. You know, respect, inclusion, acceptance, these just really help to create a harmonious workplace. And organizations that do this, leaders who do this, will witness reduced workplace conflict, less divisive workplaces, and workplace harmony will result. And you know, when I created human leadership, it's a new word. Humany is a made-up word, combining human, humanity, and harmony. You know, if you can create workplace harmony, there's so many benefits. It'll be a nicer working environment. You'll have higher productivity, higher innovation, higher cooperative collaboration. You're going to have reduced employee absences and employee attrition, much less conflict and divisiveness in the workplace. You know, it's just really a shame that we never talk about harmony in the workplace. We all need more harmony. We need more harmony in our lives, and we certainly need more harmony in our workplaces. The workplace harmony will be the cornerstone of a workplace wellness environment, reducing stress, anxiety, and angst, helping improve all of your employees' mental, physical, and emotional health. But you know, this is going to take a new mindset. And rather than, quote, trying to get the most out of your employees, which has kind of been the management ethos for a couple of decades, human leaders will have the mindset that their role is to put the most into their employees. And by doing so, they'll reap the rewards and the benefits. So let's look at those four things again. They want to be respected and trusted. They want to be accepted for who they authentically are, to be included in decisions and discussions, particularly discussions and decisions around implementation of strategies. And most importantly, they want responsibilities and assignments that lead to personal and professional growth. This is what human leaders provide, and it starts with a human leadership mindset. To learn more, please watch the rest of this video series on the art of human leadership, or better yet, pick up a copy of my book at Amazon. It's called Human Leadership: Mindsets, Skills, and Behaviors for Being a Successful People-Centered Leader. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All the best.